In this plant-based recipe cookbook 2.0 review will explain what the product contains, why a plant-based diet can be so beneficial to your health. So what exactly is plant-based diet? When you switch to this type of diet, you're going to eat natural whole foods. That means you won't be able to have any heavily processed foods all day. It consists mainly of whole grains, fruit and vegetables and legumes. All meat and seafood must be avoided. Whilst this might seem quite restricted at first, they were actually tons of tasty meals. You can make the plant-based recipe cookbook 2.0 is your best source. For those the main benefits of a plant-based diet. Obviously, one of the main benefits is the ability to lose weight. There's no need to count calories. Just stick to the recommended food list of all the benefits, including lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart conditions and preventing reversing diabetes and so much more. You'll also be doing your part for the environment, too, as the food you will be eating takes less resources to be created. Now that you know the benefits of a plant-based diet, let's take a closer look at the plant-based recipe cookbook 2.0. The Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0. The book is a digital book that is packed with 100 delicious and easy-to-make plant-based recipes. All the recipes are suitable for vegans and those who are following a plant-based diet. Each recipe is designed to help you with weight loss, improving your general health and for boosting your metabolism. To the main advantages. Here is 6 main advantages that the recipe cookbook provides. Number 1. By using the recipes inside, you'll be able to lose some weight. Keep your blood sugar levels stable, lower your cholesterol levels and generally improve your overall health. Number 2. All of recipes are packed with ingredients that provides lots of fiber, vitamins and minerals and nutrients that your body needs to function on a daily basis. Number 3. When you consume these natural foods, it forces your body to eliminate toxins and chemicals from your body. Number 4. As the ingredients are fresh and cheap, you should find that it costs you a lot less each week on your grocery bill. Number 5. Recipes are quick and super simple to make. Each one will only take you a few minutes to prepare. And finally, number 6. You only have to pay once to get all the recipes, as there is no monthly subscription. So what exactly is included with Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 when you buy today? Here's what you'll receive from the main Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. 2 Old Evil. You'll get a 30-day jumpstart guide to a vegan diet. There's also a green smoothie lifestyle bonus, a list of vegan groceries you'll need. And for free meal plans, you basically get everything you need to start a vegan diet and make it enjoyable to follow. Where to buy the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0? You can buy the cookbook directly from the official website. The link to the website is directly below this video in the description, and you're fully protected by a 60-day guarantee. Payments are fully secure using the ClickBank's secure payment. If you're currently already on a vegan diet and struggling to find tasty recipes, or maybe you've just got started, the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 will be your go-to guide for making delicious meals each day. Thanks for watching this Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 review, and we wish you luck at your new vegan lifestyle.